Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this series is based out of migrating all your Node.js application to NestJS, which works as a backend application, or you can render your app on the server side. So here we will go through main concepts of NestJS, why NestJS has become a popular framework, how can you make a dependency injection in NestJS, what are the pros and cons of NestJS, how MVC pattern can be achieved in NestJS. Okay, so why NestJS has recently gained an importance. So the main advantage is like it has a community belonging to the JavaScript. As we know that JavaScript is lingua franca of web app, it means it has become a common language for front end and back end, and you can scale up your backend services with JavaScript app. So NestJS provides a robust out-of-box architecture, which forces you to follow a pattern and used to write a clean architecture code out of it. And not only the code is clean, but the services are scalable, loosely coupled, and easily maintainable. And you can also reuse the components and modules out of that. So NestJS is efficient and scalable server-side application built on top of Node.js, and it supports TypeScript, and it has the main integrated principles like OOPS functional programming and FRP reactive functional programming and all those concepts in. So we will look at the installation part. So I will install this CLI. So I will go to my terminal. Let me install my CLI. I think it will be better if you upgrade your Node version to 18 and above. So now I am using this to check the Node version. I will check the Node version. I will install the CLI. You can also add an additional marker here like npmi CLI latest, something like this. So it will add the latest NestJS CLI. Okay. What we will do, we will create a new project for us. So let's say I am creating a new NestJS demo app, something like this. So it will ask which package manager you want to use. I will use npm. So as you can see, the NestJS provides inbuilt files like ESLint, Prettier, README, NestCLI, package.json. It also has built-in tools for TS configuration, and it provides a raw skeleton of your source application, and it also provides the test file for that. So the CLI is highly like a great tool used within NestJS. So we will go with the code structure. Okay, so structure looks like this. Our application structure will have a controller, a module, a service, and a main.ts file. You can if any error happens, your application will exit the code. So I will just go to the Nest demo application, Nest demo, NestJS demo app. Okay, I will open it in VS Code. So I have a folder structure like this, same as described in the presentation slide, and here you are able to see that it creates an app module in the main.ts file. So a controller is the entry point of your application. It means like once you have started your application on port 3000, it will be listening to port 3000. So I will do npm run start dev here. Okay, so my application has started, and if I hit 3000, So I am getting hello world in the response, which is as expected, uh, as I have written, like as the application has generated it here. Okay, so I will go through each of this, like what we can say, fundamentals of NestJS. What are services, what are modules, how we can make an MVC application, how can we declare the DTOs, how can we declare entities, how can we run the migrations, how can we invoke separate kind of databases. So here we have some test files. This is an end-to-end test application, and also you are able to generate unit test cases for your controller and services. So here you are able to see like how your Nest application is providing a default skeleton, which is such a powerful tool. And as we know, like let's say in our main service, if anything happens in your application, your application crashes. But if you provide this option, abort on error, your application will simply take the errors in your log. So this was a part of the configuration. Now you can run your this is for running your build. Okay, this is for running your build, and if you want to just run your application for development purpose, you should have this command npm run start dev. Okay, so that's it from mine for the first video. We will go through these controllers and modules and services in upcoming videos. So that's it from mine. Thank you.